चालू है फाइनली ये दोनों मिल गए जिन्होंने गाना गाया था बोला सर
माइक माइक मेरे हाथ में ये रहा
The only one. I'm happy with it.
Can we have the stills? Can we start with the questions?
I'm just confirming.
Till the time it will not happen, they'll scream.
I think we are here to talk about the jewelry. So it would be great if we could just keep the questions around the jewelry. Well, the jewelry I'm wearing got very, very contemporary feel to it. So they've given me a very short choli and they want it to look urban. At the same time, it to have that royal era of Jaipur and the whole architecture and the history of Jaipur. So I think this is a very urban approach to the heritage and the culture of our country and Jaipur.
Not my blood, my husband's family's blood. I really like the jewelry because I think it's finished very well. And the quality of the stones, you feel very good wearing it. Because it's not just the look, but the feeling that one is wearing something precious that is complementing one's look really adds to the enjoyment of it. And I think it's like your ears are still there, they haven't fallen off. Your neck, you've not got a headache. So it's light, unlike the old jewelry, which was to be very heavy. So he's got the old design, and yet it is comfortable, and I hope within our reach, and not extremely beyond somewhere there. No, but it should be accessible to many of us. So I actually love the ruby, and I quite fancy this ring myself.
Is that Chudi Chamke, my song, I sang for all these, which I always love. So naturally there was soul. Because what I agree with you, that all these poochis and bangris, I know the traditional name of all jewelries, and the way you have made them in a modern way, lighter, is still that ethnic touch is there. So I enjoyed walking the ramp. But the very good part was that models, they just got into mood and they danced. I'm very happy. And thanks, Achla. Thanks a lot. And Palvi, you too. Thank you very much.
He hasn't got the jewelry. You have the jewelry.
You want a guy to be dressed up like a girl? For me? So actually we were born in a wrong era. If we would have born like 100 years back, I would have dressed up like a king.
Good evening, everybody. Honestly, I'm very glad of being a part of it, and I want to especially thank the choreographer, Achla Sasdev, for making the show look superb. The women always look lovely, but tonight was very special with all these beautiful women, and the models, they were all superb. And about what you asked me, I think, we men love accessories. We love to be embellished. And in cities, what we do is we buy an expensive watch, or we buy a watch which compliments us. But I'm very glad that he came up with an idea like this. And me being a Rajput, I've been seeing when I go for my weddings, our family weddings, we do carry the sword, and like I said, the embellishments. It's a matter of pride. It makes you think about your history, your past, and what your ancestors have gone through. It feels very good. And you can ask me anything about fitness tips, by the way.
So you can have the last photograph with Achla and Pallavi, please come. You also come, no?
Come, Pallavi. The women look very nice because of your dresses.
Hello, good evening. You have depicted Rajasthan, its people, its color, and you have, of course, tried to, rather, I can't say the word imitate, but be 10 times better than that, super jewelry. But in future, you could manufacture certain jewelry which also these people could wear. These people could wear, and we could see them on the screen. Maybe affording maybe one part, but something relating to Rajasthan, wearable by those people, so you can really see that those people are having the jewelry, where you can also say that it's meant for everybody, and especially when Rajasthan is focused on your mind.
Can you repeat your question?
Hindi?
Yeah, there's a lot of echo. I couldn't.
You have had 1+ on the jewelry part with Rajasthan. Would you feel correct if those people also could be made to wear jewelry of yours in a manner which could be affordable and which could also depict the...
Sir, my jewelry is already affordable. Why do you think it is not affordable?
To what
It depends
class?
who is buying.
Yes, I understand. But it's Rajasthan we are depicting.
See, Rajasthan is not a poor state.
Yeah.
It's a rich state. It's rich in culture as well as rich in money. It is inspired by Rajasthan.
Anyway, I could realize that will be the part where you will not be able to go down to a particular level beyond a certain point. And high-end jewelry, yes. But as I said, the depiction is Rajasthan, so I just mentioned it if it can be done.
मुझे ये कहना कि राजस्थान में रॉयल्टी भी है, राजस्थान में बंजारन भी हैं, बीना भी हैं, पर आज की रात रॉयल्टी को रीगल उसको समर्पित की गई थी. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि वहाँ तो बहुत रेंज है. एंड ही इज प्रेजेंटिंग आमेर. व्हेन ही सेड माय ज्वेलरी इज कॉल्ड आमेर, इसका मतलब रॉयल्टी, रीगल, डायमंड, गोल्ड, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ओके.
और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अगर आप राजस्थान को देखेंगे तो इवन जो ट्राइबल एरियाज हैं ना, जो ट्राइब्स हैं, जिनके पास पहनने को कपड़ा नहीं होता पर ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं.
That's what I'm saying. You could be in that particular class.
That's what I'm saying. I have inspired from them and created my high-end line of jewelry.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Last.